Welcome to this straightforward guide on replacing an image in your WordPress media library. This tutorial explains each step clearly, allowing you to update your website's visuals quickly and efficiently. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. Clicking this login option gives you access to your account and secures your session. After selecting login, you will be presented with the option to continue with your Google account. Opt for continue with Google and then choose the appropriate account from the list available. This method simplifies the login procedure by taking advantage of your existing Google credentials, ensuring a smooth and secure sign-in process. Once you have successfully logged in, look for the quick link section on your dashboard. In this section, locate the link labeled Edit Site. Clicking Edit Site transitions you into the site editing environment where you can make changes to your website's design and content. Within this editor, you will see a list of your websites. Click on the website you wish to modify. Your website will now open in the editing interface, ready for any adjustments you need to implement. Within the editing screen, focus on the image you intend to replace. Click directly on this image so that it becomes highlighted and the editing options appear along the top of the interface. The appearance of these options indicates that you are in the correct mode to make changes. At the top of the screen, you will notice a button labeled Replace. Select this button to begin the process of updating the image. Clicking Replace signals that you intend to swap the existing image for a new one, and it prepares the editing tool for the next steps. The next moment brings up the option to open Media Library. By clicking Open Media Library, you will initiate a panel that displays all the images stored in your WordPress media library. This feature allows you to browse through your collection without leaving the editing area, making it very convenient to find your replacement image. Browse the media library panel until you find the image you wish to use as a replacement. Carefully select the desired image. This choice should reflect both aesthetic and functional needs for your website. Once you click on the image you want, a confirmation option becomes available. Finally, click on the Select button to confirm your choice. This final action completes the image replacement process. The new image will now appear in place of the old one in your website editor, ensuring that your website reflects the updated visual element immediately. Following these steps ensures that you update an image within your WordPress media library in an efficient and secure manner. Each action is designed to be intuitive and builds upon the previous one, guiding you through the process without unnecessary complications. By carefully following this guide, you can successfully modify the visual elements of your website and maintain a professional look with ease. Enjoy your refreshed website and the satisfaction that comes with mastering a core aspect of website management using WordPress.